Attorney Jess, ano nga po ba yung mga common grounds for termination ng isang, empleyado?
Okay. So, meron po kasi tayong, causes na hindi lang po kasi ibig sabihin nun na 'pag mag-terminate ka or 'pag mag-resign ka ay dahil lang na, um, for whatever reasons 'no. Minsan kasi yung dismissal or termination, it can be by employer or by employee. Yung usual kasi na misconception is on the termination by an employer. Wala kasing issue kung by an employee, kusang loob ka kasing umalis, eh. Yung most issues come from termination by employer. So, meron lang kasing dalawang category of reasons or grounds kung saan pwedeng magpaalis ng tao ang isang employer.
Mhm.
First, sinasabi nating just causes. And usually, pag sinasabi nating just causes, may mali yung employee. Meron naman kasi tayong tinatawag na authorized causes. Ito naman ay wala namang kasalanan yung employee natin. But usually, because of economic circumstances or sinasabi nating nalulugi yung kumpanya, nagkakaroon ng opportunities rather yung employer na magbawas ng empleyado niya.
Mhm.
So yun yung two categories, just causes and authorized causes po.